Hi there and welcome to this course. My name is Alex Kanadinik and I'll be your instructor. I'll briefly tell you what to expect from the course and we'll start right away. Well, this is an introduction to TikTok course. I'll show you some organic, meaning free posting strategies, how to use hashtags, how do you post correctly, and how to post attractive, engaging content. And then I'm going to be showing you in the second part of the course how to amplify all that with ads to get results quickly. That's the course. And what's great about this course is that you can have a great looking, growing TikTok account that doesn't take a lot of your time because you're not out there promoting it on other social networks. You're able to use good strategies that work organically and free and just boost them with ads so that the ads save you time and at the same time grow your brand and grow your business on TikTok so that you can promote whatever you want on TikTok without really taking a lot of time, which is what you don't want because you don't want to spend all your time on TikTok if you're like most people. And throughout this course, I'll be sharing with you a case study of my own music account that I'm promoting on TikTok, which went from essentially 0 followers to over 1,000 followers in a couple of days. And I'll be showing you exactly what I did so you can replicate it for your account so it's very real and usable because I did it for myself and you'll see it literally click by click by click. So that's this course. Let's begin.